Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe. Friends, have you ever thought about products that we use in our daily lives for various things? Like we use Zomato, food ordering purposes, and there are many more products that we have, like Notion that we use that are so far used. But apart from this, apart from using these products, have you ever thought about like literally who decide these features? Who decide what to create, who decide what should be user experience there? Like you must think about it, like who does all the things? Well, that's exactly what a product manager does. So in this video we will discussing about the product management and product managers. So if you are someone who want to build your career in product management, doesn't matter you are from any tech background, from non-tech background, from marketing, from sales, for anything, if you are passionate about building your career in product management, then this video is for you. So take a notebook because we are going to break down all the things step by step. Let's start the video. So first, let's understand what product management actually is. Product management is not about managing people. It's about managing problems and its outcome. A product manager is like the bridge between the user and the business and the tech team you are working with. So imagine you are working at Zomato. User says, we want better order tracking. The business says, we want more engagement. And the tech team says, we need 3 days, 3 weeks, or something like that to build it. As a PM, your job is to balance all three, prioritize the right thing, and make sure the final product actually solves a real user problem. In short, you are the mini CEO of the product, but without any authority, only influence. Now, the very important question is how to decide that is product management is the right career choice for me, for an individual or not. It's a very important question because any career is not perfect for everyone, right? There is something specific things required to choose that career, to get success in that career. So that's a very important question to ask before choosing any career. So here are a few signs you can consider. First, you love solving problems, not just spotting them. Second, you enjoy talking to people and understanding their pain points, understanding their needs. Third, you can balance logic and creativity. And fourth, you like seeing the bigger picture, not just one part of it. If you find yourself saying, yes, that's me, then trust me, product management could be your dream career. You don't need to be a coder or a designer. You just need to love building things that make people care. Okay, so now let's talk about the skills you will need to start. There are two types of skills. First, core skills, we would discuss that like product thinking, user empathy, prioritization, data analysis, and communication. Now, the technical awareness you need. You don't need to code, but you should know how APIs works, what's an MVP, what is agile or sprint. For example, if a developer says that this feature will take 2 sprints, you should understand that means what dev time it will take to create this. You should have idea. And don't worry, you can learn all these things, all these skills via online courses or YouTube videos or your practical work. So don't be panic. You can learn all these skills on yourself, but you have to be patient and focused and approachable. Okay, now let's discuss practical part. That's very important. If you are a fresher, then you should look for roles like associate product manager called APM or product analyst, or you can also start with product intern. If you're already working in tech or design and you want to switch, so you can do that internally. And also you should start attending product meetings, writing PRDs, and suggesting improvements in the product you are working on. And if you are from a non-tech background, so don't take a stress. Learn tools like Notion, Zira, Figma, and Google Analytics. This will help you to speak the language of a product manager. So start small. Even managing a small side of a project, startup idea, or hackathon product helps you to build your experience. And remember, you don't need a fancy MBA degree to become a product manager. You just need clarity, consistency, and curiosity. But this doesn't mean that if you are doing a degree, if you have a degree, that is waste. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if you are really passionate about making a career in product management and you don't have MBA degree, so don't take it like you can't, make your career in product manager because you don't have a MBA degree. Okay, so that's all I want to say. Okay, now let's talk about getting that first break. Build a small portfolio, even 2-3 case studies, which will definitely show how you have improved a product or like how you have solved any user problem. So it's a very good thing. Second, learn to write clear and concise PRDs. Network with product managers on LinkedIn. Follow them, comment, and ask smart questions. And when you apply, don't just say, I love product management. You can say, like, here is how I've improved user engagement on this. So you need to prove them your ability. Opportunities comes faster when your curiosity shows in your work. Believe even a great product manager start with zero. What they do, they just keep learning and experimenting. So this is all the way you have to start in your career if you want to, if you want to be a product manager, and if you are really serious about that. So it's not just about that it's not just about that you applying jobs or something like that. You have to show your thinking, kind of product thinking, which will definitely create opportunities for you. And you have to show people around who are hiring for these roles that what value you have added, what problem you have solved, these kind of thing, with a proof, with a practical approach. So I think that will create a great opportunity for you. So start doing this. So if you are serious about building your career in product management, so you need to start today. Pick one skill, learn it deeply, and start applying it, even in small ways. And I have something very exciting news. The news is very soon I'm going to start a new brand series which is called 30 days to think like a product manager, in which I am going to share real and practical product insights inspired from people who are already working in product management from number of years. So this will all help you. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel for these insights. So we will talk about everything related to product management, and very useful tips I will share with you all, which from which I have got so many help. So be ready for that, and see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.